Welcome traders to another video. This is another fine example for those people that are caught up in the penny stock hype, the small cap hype, for those new to trading options, for people who are just getting into trading. This is an example of why you want to be trading options and not any of this other rubbish that's out there. You probably wondering why. Well, let me explain this trade the best I can, as quick as I can, so we can all get on with our day. eBay has earnings today, reports after close. Now eBay closed today at 32, you can see here, 32.50. This is a day chart, by the way. Last time had earnings, it gapped up from 26 to 30, so it ran $4. That was way more than the expected move, and that actually caught me out. I think I'd sold from memory at 31, and I had to adjust and battle it for several weeks afterwards before giving up on it. Now, this trade's a little bit cautious on this one, so I wanted to sell a bit more time. Now, upon entering this trade, I actually got paid. So in actual fact, I got paid to trade. I got paid to do this trade. Now, what do I mean by that? Like, are you serious? How do you get paid to trade? Right. Probably one of the best option strategies out there is called a credit spread or a debit spread, a vertical spread also. Now, I've sold two credit spreads. One expires in about 2 weeks, 2 weeks and 2 days to be exact. It is a November 4 expiration, expiring in 16 days. And to help, just in case things go wrong with the adjustment side of it, I've also sold an identical position on the typical monthly expirations, which is these white contracts you can see listed here, which is a month to go, obviously. Now, what does it all mean? Well, November 4s, I sold a 35.38 strike call spread for 38 cents. So I got paid $38 per contract as soon as I entered the trade. Now, to back that up and support that, and also add a little bit more money to my account, I've sold the November's 35.38, exactly the same strikes, but taking in $44 per contract. As you can see, they're currently 42 cents and 43 cents, so I'm neither here nor there. It was an 84-cent credit all up, and if I do this, it's currently 85 cents, so I'm losing 1 cent or $10 at the moment in my live account per contract, that is. Now, I've also set an alert at just above the highs and around the 33.60. The reason for the 33.60 is if you take the lows to the highs to the lows on the Fibonacci, it puts about a 127% retracement or extension at the 33.50 mark. Typically, if something's going to blow through to new highs, it's going to run into the 127%, and then it's going to hit a brick wall, maybe consolidate, maybe take a bit of a breather before carrying on. If I plot this just sort of quickly, you can see there 127 just below my alert. So I get rid of this. Now, the reason why we do this is because earnings and trading in general, I don't know whether the stock's going up or down. I don't care whether this stock goes up or down. And this is the beauty of it. As long as this doesn't race and go punch through the 35 strike, I don't care. There will be profit coming in every single day until this expires. Now, on earnings, if this drops down, by all means, yes, I will profit extremely quick and I will profit more. If this just keeps on like it's doing and grinds upwards, then yeah, okay, different story. If I run this right out to expiration, you can see that it quite possibly could stay in this channel and just keep going up, down, up, down, up, down until the end of times. Now, by the end of the next month, worst case, well, as long as it stays in this range, it's still, and hasn't broken out, it's still, even though it is coming higher and closer, it still won't be affecting me. I will be taking profit, and on the expiration of the November 4s, I will take full profit, and if it stays within this channel or lower, at the end of the November expiration, I will also take full profit on that. So quick recap, that is about I think from memory, a 14% on the Novembers and a 16% gain on the mid-Novembers. That's return on capital. I was paid on entry into my account the $82 per contract. The margin required was $300 per contract. So $300 per contract, and I was taking in basically the 38 and the 40 odd dollars. So there's a big risk to reward there, and that freaks a lot of people out. But the probabilities of these trades are something like 78% and 82% probability of success. Now, with those kind of odds, if you play the numbers game, you're looking at losing 2 out of 10 times. Now, I do these all day, every day, and have done for years, and they pan out very, very consistently. Until recently, I'm just currently fighting Amazon. If you've seen the Amazon trade, I will leave a link down below for that, but I am battling that. And pre that, I hadn't had a losing trade for possibly 5 months or something. And I'm typically trading maybe somewhere in the 15 to 20 times per month, something like that. But anyway, enough about Amazon. This is eBay, and this is why people new to trading, or options new to option trading, people looking at getting into the stock market, regardless of what they're looking at doing, this is why you need to be trading options. This is such a it just runs streets and circles around forex, stock, small cap. They just cannot come up with enough reasons to why they are better than trading options. But anyway, enough ranting on about that. This is my eBay earnings trade. I hope you like it. If you don't, if you do, either way, leave a comment below, like, subscribe, share. I don't care. Just give me some feedback on what you think. Like I say, I don't care what the direction it is. I don't care where it's going, as long as it doesn't go too high, too fast, too far. As you can see, this is dropping onto a 5-minute chart, and there was my entry in the last 5 minutes of the day. Anyway, see how it all pans out tomorrow. I'll record this. I will leave the Amazon link below. I will record this at opening tomorrow and also link to that. If you like it, let me know. If you don't, fantastic, tell me why. And we will see you all on the next trade, or on the next video, which should be tomorrow's opening. Thanks for watching.